Hello guys, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are going to try a yummy sweet dish with potato. The thing I really love making this dish is it's less time and more taste. Now, without getting delayed, let's get started. Take a half liter milk and 250 grams of boiled potatoes and smash it. Make sure your potatoes are boiled well, otherwise smashing potatoes becomes really difficult. Now add little milk and smash again. As you can see, potatoes are already smashed up, but to avoid small pieces still left behind, we use milk to smash that again. Turn on the stove. As it is quarter kg potato, medium size vessel is fine. Now add milk and no need to wait up for boiling, but can also add potato right away. Now add finely grinded cashew about 75 grams. Now add cardamom powder of 2 and then sugar about 375 grams. Now mix it very well and cook it on high flame. While cooking, avoid lumps and keep stirring. It would take about 15 minutes to cook. You can see the bubbles are popping up. It means it's done. Now turn off the stove. Our dish is ready to serve. It's an Independence Day guys, so I thought why not tricolor. So this is the one actually we made now. Saffron and green are food colors are added and cooked separately. Now it's time to add roasted cashews on the top. You can have any dry fruits of your choice. And it's done. Hope you guys try and release this amazing sweet and let me know in comment section below. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For more updates, hit the bell icon on your screen. And also can follow our Instagram and Facebook page. The links are given in description below. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.